Machining Meets Cycling is a project that wants to join sport talent with professional talent. This project wants to give to young cyclists the opportunity to know about an industry that needs people who have values that cycling provides. Discipline, commitment, trust relationship, teamwork, ability to face challenges. It encourages to develop cycling in a correct and healthy way and helps to achieve your dream and compete in an elite cycling team. This project wants to encourage you to obtain a degree in the field of mechanical manufacturing supporting your training in Industry 4.0, such as dual vocational training. Machining Meets Cycling. The future is in your hands. Are you on board?